In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the strike-through price, often referred to as the compare at price in your Shopify Dawn theme. This enhancement can give your store a vibrant touch, helping to catch your customers' attention and convey price differences more effectively. To begin, let's access the theme editor. You'll want to start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the online store section and then click on Themes. Here, you'll see your list of themes. Identify your active Dawn theme. Next to it, click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. This will open the code editor where you can make the necessary changes. Now, let's locate the CSS file that controls the styling of product prices. In this editor, you're going to look for a file typically named something like componentprice.css. This file is where many of the styles for product prices are held. Alternatively, if you don't find what you're looking for there, try searching the .liquid files for any instances of the compare at price class, particularly within the files that structure your product page content. Once you've found the right place, it's time to start modifying the CSS. First, you need to identify the correct CSS selector for the strike-through price. Commonly, this would be something like .pricedel or .pricedel .compare at price. Now that you've got that, let's go ahead and change its color. You do this by either adding or altering the color property within the identified selector. Decide on the color you want to use by choosing a hex code. If you want the color red, for example, you would use the code The code snippet should look something like this. .pricedel color Example. Red. After making these changes, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button in the code editor and click it to ensure your color update is applied. With your changes saved, head back to your Shopify store, refresh the product page, and take a look at your updated strike-through price color. This visualization can really direct your customer's eye to important price differences. However, before making any of these changes, it's very important to back up your theme. Duplicate it to ensure you can easily revert to the original version if needed. Remember, changes like these can sometimes be affected by CSS specificity. If your updates don't seem to be taking effect, you may need to adjust the specificity of your CSS selector or carefully use the Bont important flag to ensure your styles are properly applied. Lastly, keep in mind that future theme updates can potentially overwrite your customizations. You might consider using other methods like a custom CSS file or installing a dedicated app to maintain your changes when updates roll out. By following these instructions, you'll give your online store a personalized and professional look, attracting customers and encouraging their engagement with your products.